Hi, 2 weeks later. This is mess. That side is also mess. I even stopped putting instruments on their place. They just be here all the time. I also bought a special diffuser. You also notice that I changed the position of the table. Got rid of the slide strip over here. It's temporary, sits here. Also getting ready that this laptop is gonna be taken from me because it's a review unit, and I'll be using my PC that's gonna be sitting right there. Yes, in the window frame. Who needs natural light anyways? I also started a new project. I purchased the cheapest gaming keypad that I found on Amazon. Gonna be doing review of that. This is $9 gaming mouse. That's the cheapest mouse I could find, gaming mouse I could find on Amazon in Canada, and I'm impressed. So essentially what I want to do is find the best spot to solve two things. One, I need to work at my desk and be as comfortable as possible because I spend so much time here in this room. But also everything should be in the perfect angle, in the perfect position in order to start recording videos and have as many locations in this very tiny room, as many locations as possible to make my channel more entertaining in terms of different shots, etc. But it's very difficult because if I put camera over here like it used to be facing this wall, this wall is so boring, it's just black and I have no idea what to put there. And if you will open any freaking YouTube channel, you will find those. I mean, I like how they look, but I don't want to be yet another channel with these wall panels, RGB little lights, and a very cool desk lamp with a warm skin tone. I love watching those videos, but I just feel like I have to find something different. This is my old main shot and it's pretty cool. I loved it, but it's just too many videos with this same shot. And in terms of lights, I don't know. I drilled so many holes in my ceiling, like you can put lights here, you can put lights there. I already have lights over there, the main light, the lights could be there, and they also could be right above my workbench. But like Justin Bieber said, nothing really clicks. Also wanted to say a couple of words about this ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 laptop. I recently streamed on this channel. I played Throne and Liberty, the game that's insanely beautiful. It's like so cozy. Look at that. La 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 la. Ray tracing, la 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 la. No, I mean, look at that. I mean, I would love to live here. I played in ultra settings on 240 Hertz and also streamed Lonely Avenger, going through the deserts of this wasteland, looking for happiness. Unrest is always with him.
I feel the power. Is it time to wake up?
To be fair, I tried to stream in 60 FPS Full HD, and OBS and YouTube keep saying that there's not enough frames, and eventually the whole stream lagged and I stopped it. Then I switched back to 30 frames per second and the stream was absolutely fine. You can check it on my channel. So in 2025, you can play a modern game on ultra settings with 240 Hertz refresh rate while streaming, and your laptop won't have any troubles with it. That is insane to me. So I'm really excited to make a full review of this laptop in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned. Anyway, back to building my setup. And the biggest problem so far is to figure out where to put this LED strip that I put in aluminum profile along with the light diffuser. That's the biggest challenge so far. Well, it seems like this is the best spot for this light strip so far. Why? Because when I work during the day, and this is my web camera, I have a natural light from my right side and black wall from the other side. And now this LED strip gives enough light to lighting up my left side. So the idea is that if I sit like this and film like this and I turn off the main light, I can turn on the light strip behind me. This is 100%, so it's okay, but I also can change the color of it, which makes things look exciting, right? Now I don't need that light, so let's remove it and make it face forwarding. So this is going to be the main light. That way I will be able to control both of them, the background light and the main light, from my Stream Deck, because both of those are Elgato lights. So this is how it's gonna look on calls. So this is camera, I turn off that light, I turn on my side light, but let's put it white, and then this is my side light and this is my main light. There you go. So if I would want to film like this, you see that black and white wall like right in the middle, that's an idea. And then I turn on this main light just a little, and then I turn on colored LED light, LED strip behind me. That's pretty cool. And if I want to film from this angle, then again, the main source of light now is a natural light from the window behind the camera, even though it's closed by a computer, covered by a computer. But still, if I need more front-facing light, I do have it as much as I need. Even though this is probably the maximum, 13%. You see that tiny, like here on the chair, and probably it will be more visible by the night, so I'm excited about that. Finally, if I want to film from this welcoming shot, I turn on the main professional light, not the computer light, and then the LED. This is 100% blue. And then the light behind me. And this is how I can film 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's the best we can do for now. I need to put something here, like a plant or something. All right, I think a little bit of cleaning and we should be good. I especially love this shot. So much happening in the frame. I love it. Lights are here. There's still a room for expansion and decoration, obviously. I also can film kind of podcasty thing here on the couch. Podcasty thing where 2 chairs from 2 sides here. I hope I created something where I can create, and you can subscribe and support my videos. By the way, thank you very much for supporting the first part. It went pretty viral for me, 3,000 views. Are you kidding me? Thank you so much. Please support this video and hit like and share if you love it. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna be cleaning. Bye bye.